Looking for your first RoboVac, but want more power and the convenience of a dock? The Xiaomi H40 combines strong suction with an auto dust collection dock. The Xiaomi H40 is a robot vacuum and mop with a dock that collects dust and debris automatically, requiring less maintenance. It's built for homes with pets, lots of activity, and busy routines where less manual emptying makes a difference. 10,000 Pascal suction pulls up crumbs, cereal, dust, and pet hair so that deep cleans are needed less often. This combined with a 5200 mAh battery means it can clean for up to 180 minutes, while the dock's 4-liter dust bag lasts weeks before replacement. And with multi-dimensional anti-tangle tech, it sweeps, gathers, combs, and sucks hair with less wrapping. LDS laser navigation accurately maps your home, plans efficient routes, while sensors prevents falling and missed areas. At about 97 millimeters tall, it fits under beds, sofas, and low furniture where dust tends to gather. Inside the box, you will get the robot, auto dust collection dock, brushes, dust bag, water tank, mop pad, and setup guide. Plug in the dock, connect to the Xiaomi Home app, and follow the simple setup steps. Then let the H40 clean automatically. When cleaning ends, all the dust is transferred into the dock's dust bag automatically. You can also start or stop cleaning with simple voice commands.